Hey, this is Mr. Mola with a quick video on linear versus nonlinear functions here on this quiz. So the table below represents the number of math problems Jana completed as a function for the number of minutes she began doing her homework. This situation represents a linear or nonlinear function. Okay, so first we just got to look at, remember, linear means it's constantly going up by the same amount. Nonlinear means it's not going to go up by the same amount. So an easy way to do this would put this in a graph and see if it is a straight line or not a straight line. So our minutes seem to make sense. They go in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's an order there. It's going up 1 each time. However, the math problems from 3 to 7 is 4, and from 7 to 12 is 5. And we can pretty much stop right there. It's not going to be linear because it's not going up by 4 each time. So they all need to go up by the same amount each time. So since it goes from 3 to 7 and then 7 to 12, they go up by different amounts. So that one's going to be non-linear. What is the rate of change of the function? So pretty much asking for the slope. So it looks like we can count from this dot here to this dot here. And it looks like it's going down, so it's going to be negative. It looks like it's going down 2 and over 1. So negative 2. Is the function represented by the table linear? So kind of the same thing. We're going to look at if it's constant. 10, 11, 12, 13. Yep, that looks good. It's going up by 1 each time. Negative 6 to positive 1. That means it went up 7. And then from 1 to 6, it only went up 5. So not going to be a function because it does not have a constant rate of change. Which one represents a linear function? So here, 3, 4, 5, 6 looks good. 3, 4, 6, 7. So it skipped 5 here. So it went up from 1 to going up 2. 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 5, 4, 3. So it goes up 1 from the left and down 1 from the right. So that one looks good. That one looks like it's going to be a function. Let's look at the other two just in case. 3, 4, 5, 6 looks good. Going up 1. 7, 6, 5, 3. So close on this one. Goes down by 1, but then goes down by 2. Last one, 3, 4, 5, 6 looks good. Up by 1. And then we go from 2 to 4 to 5. So up 2 for the first spot and then up 1. So not going to be a function because it's not going up by the same amount every time. Which graph represents a function with a rate of change of 0.5. So since it's positive, I know my graph has to be going up. So one of these two, left to right, it's going up. These, they're going down. And which one is 0.5? So up 1 over 2. This one looks like it's going up 2 over 1, so the opposite. This one looks like it's going up 1 over 2. So remember, I really don't like how they give you these as decimals. Fractions would be much easier. So 0.5 is the same as 1 over 2. So remember, that means you're rising 1 and running 2. Hope that helps.